Hello friends, welcome back to the money video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Infinix phone accessibility menu, and today video title is guys how can be power of Infinix mobile. Friends, we want to power off guys your Infinix mobile. So how can you power off without press on guys your power off button guys. Today friends I will show you a secret setting, then guys you can power off guys your Infinix phone without press your power off button. So guys, open your phone setting without waste time and guys scroll it. As you can see guys, your phone guys, the special function guys, tap on guys this phone special function guys, tap here, and friends click on guys your phone accessibility setting, and friends click on phone accessibility menu, and first of all guys, we will have to give permission here, allow option, tap here to allow. So friends got it, yes. Friends come back. Friends, you can see guys this one more icon guys we have on guys here. So guys tap on guys this icon. Friends, you can see accessibility setting, power of setting, volume setting, and lock screen guys, you want to lock so you can lock, volume down, brightness, screenshot guys you can use from here. So guys we will click on this power off setting, we will tap here. Friends, you want to power off guys your Infinix phone, so guys you can power off from here guys, tap here to power off it guys. Hence your phone will power off, and guys you want to on after 1 minute, 2 minute, 5 minutes, it's your choice guys, you can on it guys. So guys I will on guys my Infinix phone, so it will take guys 20 and 25 seconds. So guys I am going to pause video guys, please wait for guys only 25 and 30 seconds guys. So friends, after 25 and get 30 seconds guys, your phone will on. So guys we will swipe to unlock phone, and we wait for a while guys, it will take time guys, then guys you can use your Infinix phone. Now guys we can use it. So guys we will clean our phone, so guys you can clean also, then guys you can use it. So that's it guys, bye guys.